Hello friends, short review, camping light Fenix CL26R. So let's see how it works, what are in functions. For this is a new model with complex element. I made before review with ordinary 3 elements. I will show you comparison of size those two CL23. What here we have? Here is magnet. Also here we have indication of level of battery inside. Here we have micro USB for charging, about 1 ampere, and during charging we can use only first mode. You see about 1 ampere charging. During charging we use only first mode, no memory of mode. Press and hold on. Always it starts from 40 lumens, then second and second. Next press is a half of light. Like if you want to read and you don't need to light in that side. Next is bottom light. You can pick it like here and see only here. Next 125 lumens and first mode. 2 quick press and we have red light and red light blinking. So let's see how it works in my backyard. So first mode. Here is flashlight. Here is my cat. Next mode. Next mode. Here is flashlight on my hand. And what we see. Next is full, half of light, not full, but half. And that's all. No, that's all. I forgot about red light. Red light and let's see it with distance. I think 10 meters, 15 meters. Also it works with other type of elements, but only with R1, 2, 3, not other elements according instruction, as you see. So what I want to say, it's new model. It's good that Fenix make new model. anyone can choose what exactly anyone need, or element with ordinary type or model with ordinary type elements, or with Li-on and other models with, for example, with 3 elements Li-on, with power bank function or without power bank function. This one model is not bad if you have some needs for more light than with ordinary 3R elements. So that's all. In description of this video will be text review of this with photo, with more words and impressions. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.